Hi friends, in this video we are going to create a complete flight and hotel booking website with a travel blog. As you can see, this is the website which we are created, and we already have created 2-3 videos about this, but for this website something different, because on the travel payout white label we are fully customized website. So it will look like a beautiful website, and you can see here Google map is integrated on the blog itself, and when you see it, the contact us page is looking good. And when you go to the flight section, and you can see it's a awesome website and it's a awesome design. You can see lot of features on the white label itself. You can see a search option is available, a beautiful menu is available, rate card, special offers section is available, and you can see a SEO section is available, a frequently asked question section is available, and a beautiful menu section is available. Your social icons area is available. And if a customer search on a for a particular ticket from a place to another destination like this, they can enter the airport code here, they can enter the destination here, and the departure date and the return rate they can add here. So if a customer does not know about the code, they can enter the location itself. So if a customer searches for London airport, they can add that. So they can pick the correct airport from the list. And there is a departure date option is available. So if a customer click on the departure date, and they can choose the return date. If they don't need the return ticket, they can choose that option is available on our website. And they can choose the number of passengers, and the passenger list option is available, and they can click on search option. Once the customer click on the search option, customer can see all the rates, and they can see which rate which day the rates are lower, and all these details they can see on our website itself. And a calendar option is also available, the rate calendar option is also available. All these things are taking place on your website, not any other website. Everything is going to happen on your website itself. Okay, now the rate calendar you can see here, the customer can see the rate calendar for that particular ticket, and the customer can book the ticket here. And also they can see our partners here, means the ticket is going to book on which website. All these things they can see here, the rates on different website, the rates they can see here. And once the customer click on a ticket for going to booking the ticket, it will take to the flight network section, and they can book the ticket there. They can see the rates and all these things they can see here. And the rate may be vary from the original rate, because of depending upon the airline. So once we click on book, sometimes they will charge some additional charges for the seat reservation, like these things. Okay, once they complete the passenger details and all these things, the customer can proceed to check out. They can manage all these things and click on continue. After that, they can choose the seat for the ticket. Reserve seating for Mumbai to Dubai, and from Dubai to London. All these seats can be select from here itself, so they will take additional charge. But if you don't want, you can close that, and the charge will not take that. Okay, there is a close option is there, so if you want, you can close that. and you can choose all these options and click on continue. And the customer can choose the payment method and they can complete the checkout processes. Okay, once the customer complete the checkout process, they can also book the hotels from our website. If they click on hotel section, this is the hotel page of our website, and they can choose the location they want. So I'm just showing an example. So I'm just typing for Kochi, India, and you can choose the check-in and checkout date here. Click on the check-in and checkout date here, and click on search option, and there is an option for changing the currencies, so you can choose any of the currencies here. It can be shown in dollar, USD or INR, Indian rupees, and lot of other currencies are available, so the customer can choose the right currency from the list. And the customer can see all the rates here, and there is a filter option is available, so they can choose the filter according to their needs. If the customer click on the book now option, it will redirect to the trip.com, and they can choose the right hotel from there, and they can see the check availability option, and customer can book the ticket here. They can complete the guest info, and they can get the final confirmation, and they can complete the checkout process. And you can see here a meta option is available, like the famous website like Go IB Make My Trip, etc. That also we included on this website. And a frequently asked questions section is available, so the customer we can add all these things here and to the social platforms. And there is an app download section is available for the app. I will create another video for that, how to create a travel app. And this is your commission section on the travel payout page, and you can see your earnings here. So when a customer click book a ticket, you will get the commission. Okay friends, now we can buy a domain from this hostinger to create the website. So goes to hostinger, and you can book a domain here. So when you search for a domain name, make it is related to a travel website, so something like this. You can buy the domain name here, and you can also buy a small hosting. So if you are going to start, then you can choose a premium web hosting. Don't go for the single or ordinary hosting, because it is very slow and your website will not work on that. Okay, so choose for the premium web hosting and click on add to cart. If you are serious about your business, then go for the cloud startup. Okay, now go to the cart option. Here you can choose a period for 12 months. I recommend 12 months, and you can complete the payment methods here, and you can complete your checkout process. Once you complete the checkout, you will get a dashboard like this on hostinger, so you can add your website to hosting like this as you are seeing in the video. Just select, and now your hosting is connected to your domain. Now you can install WordPress on your website, and if you go to your website now, you can see this, because I just bought the website now, so it will take some time to activate. So in that time we can install WordPress and all these things. That will work, no issues. So select the WordPress from the list, and you can install WordPress here. Add your details, and you can complete the WordPress installation. The meantime, you can go to the Travel Payout website and click on get started. Here you can sign up with your email and password. Once you enter into your travel payout dashboard, it will look something like this. So just close this window and you can see the travel payout dashboard like this. So go to Hostinger and go to the domain section and add, you can see the DNS name server option here. Here you can see the CNAME option, the manage DNS record. So click on CNAME, select the CNAME from the list, and you can add the name here because we are going to create two subdomains. So create flights and hotels. So set separate flights and hotel CNAMEs here. So select CNAME from the drop down and add your subdomain name like flights, hotels, then target area whitelabel.travelpayouts.com. Okay, then add record. Now your subdomain is created. Now go to the travel payout dashboard and click on programs, and here you can see lot of affiliate programs available. Some programs require pre-approval from them, so some they don't need any pre-approval. So we are going to aviation sales, like Avia sales. So choose that program and click on connect to program option here. Click on connect to program and you can create a project here. Content creation, select that, or if you are any other option, if you are in other option, you can choose that, no issues. Now choose the website link here, add your website link and click on next, and you can choose the content language, English, or if you want you can add any other language, and you can add your average monthly viewers, target countries, all these things you can add here. Click on next and click on a name for your project and click on save project. Once the project is saved, you can back to the managing connections and you can request to connect option. Click on the request to connect option and everything is good, so click on all good. Now go to the explore programs option and here you can come to the connected options on the program section and you can see your program, one program is connected to your project. So click on tools and click on white labels. All other options you can see it here and you can integrate it into your website. So but now we are discussing about white labels, so click on white labels and click on create white label. Here you can add your subdomains because we are going to create white label on our subdomains, but if you want you can create it on the main domain also, but for the SEO reasons we are going to create it on our subdomains. For a website layout that's better. So this is our default white label design. Okay, now for the hotels also we are creating that subdomain and we are creating the white label here and click on create and set up here, and you can see the project details here, and this is the default travel payout white label website. Okay guys, now you need to go to this website and you can buy the theme here for the travel payout white label, and you need to go to the Visual Code Studio and download this free software, Visual Studio Code Editor, because some HTML codes are there, so you need to edit and just replace these codes for just change with your URL, that's all. There is no much coding or anything. Okay, now install on install the software on your computer. If you have the software, you can leave this option. This is a code editor, and it's free. Once it's installed, you can open the code editor and you can click on the edit option on the travel payout section. Now you can go to the content section. Here you can choose the language and the currency. Choose the right currency. So you can choose the Indian rupee, dollar, or whatever currency you need, you can choose from the list. And you can pre-fill the content for the departure city. If I choose Delhi, it will be Delhi shown always on the front page. Otherwise, you can choose any your departure city. If you did not set the departure city, it will select automatically your nearest airport. Okay. Now go to the style option and you can see the show hotel section. Just disable if the hotels will not show on the search form. Now you can change the colors here. You can choose the color. You can also select the color from the background itself. You can select the color. Okay, now just click on save and update. And this is the very basic design. So we are just going to convert into a new modern website design. So now go to the custom CSS styles. All these things we can discuss this later. Okay, this is the metadata section. Here all the SEO settings are doing here. So this we will discuss on any other video. So you can set up, you can add any SEO meta descriptions here, all these things. This I will do a video another time. Now the section. This is the very important section and all the designs take place at this section. Okay guys, now open the file which you have bought from the theme section, which I showed you. So you can open all these things, all these files open on the code editor one by one. You can just open it. Okay, this is the site header or the flight header section. Now just select, you can see the code here. Just select all the code, all the code without editing, and just paste it on the site header section and click on save and update. And now go to the website and just refresh the website, and you can see the title is changed. Now we can change the logo and everything. Okay, first we can import all these codes here. Open another code for the footer section. You can open. You can select all the codes here. Because we are doing this because is any error comes, we can check it that. So before that, that's why without editing we can import all these things. Once everything okay, we can change the edits. Now just refresh it. Now you can see here, you can see the footer is changed. Now we can see, we can open another file for the CSS, fly style CSS. So you can just copy that and paste it on the style section, because we discussed about that before. On the style section, customize CSS styles, and you can paste that code here. Click on save and update. and go to the website and just refresh it. Yes, now everything works fine. Now we can edit it, and there is a search form option is something missing from there. So open the search form code here and paste it under the footer section. You can see the sections here. Just scroll down and you can paste the search form code here at the bottom. You can just paste that code here as you are seeing in the video, and click on save and update, and just refresh the code, refresh the website, and you can see a not secure option on our URL. Don't worry, because we just bought this domain just now only. After a few hours it will be okay. Don't worry about the not secure option. Okay guys, now we can go to our WordPress dashboard. You can see here, and we can customize our main website. Go to the appearance option, click on themes, and we can install a new theme on our main website. It's a free theme, Blocksy. You can install this theme on your website. Install the theme and activate it. Once you install the theme, click on the install plugin section of Blocksy theme as you are seeing in the video, and it will take you to a new page. Here you can click on the starter sites section. Here you can see some pro demo and a free demos. So we can choose some free demos from the list. Just scroll down and we will look for a travel website demo. Yes, it's here. So choose the travel demo here. Click on import and click on next, and choose the Elementor option. Click on next. You can install the travel demo here and click on view site. Click on the select files option here, and you can upload your logo for your white label website. So just copy that URL and now go to the code editor and go to the header section, and you can see this line here on your code, and you can just replace that link with your logo link and just copy all the code, and you can come to the site header and you can paste it here. You can also paste the direct link on this site header section here, but it's difficult to see all these codes. That's why I just using code editor. Okay guys, now we can go to the code editor again. You can go to the code editor again, and you can just replace all these menu items as you are seeing in the video. You can just replace the demo link, and you can replace your own link here. Okay, your page you can add here instead of the menu, and you can change the titles here, like the menu items name, textures here. So you can change all these things here. So don't change any other things, so just change the things I am just doing here. You can just see here. If you want any textures, you can just find it on the code and you can just replace it. It's super easy, so be careful to edit all other things like the CSS or the other part of the code. You can just replace the links and the textures using here. If you know HTML, then no problem, there is nothing to worry. Otherwise you need to just take care of all these things. Once you change all the links and everything, you can just copy the code here and paste it here and click on save and update. And now come to the website and refresh it. Now you can see the changes here. the search options and the placeholder, everything is changed. If you click on a menu item, it will directly take you to your own website. Like this, you can edit the complete code. So now we can edit the footer section also same way. So just select the footer code and you can just replace the images and all these things. Just go to the flight footer and you can edit the images. You can see the lines to edit here. You can find this part of the code and you can replace it with your link of the image. So if I want to change an image, you can see here I'm going to change the second image. So just upload that image on your main website. You need to upload your image, then copy that URL and paste it on the link here. Just replace the link as you are seeing in the video. Just replace it. Like this, you can change all the images. Okay, once you done that, just copy all the codes and you can paste it on the site footer section and save and update. And now go to the website and refresh and you can see the changes there. Just refresh the website. Okay, now like this you can change all the images. And now the another section you can see here. You can change all the images. Now you can change this section. If you want to change this section, find this area on the code and now you can replace it, or if you want you can add something to it. It's not a big deal. And the frequently asked question sections, so you can also change the questions according to the way you want. You can just replace it here. You can see, you can find this textures and you can just change it. And if you want to add this, you can just copy the entire code section and just duplicate it and you can just add another questions like this. Okay, you can change all the textures. The demo text you can just replace it. Like this you can change all the FAQ sections and you can just replace the menu items. Like this you can see all the menu items. You can just paste your own items there. You can add the links there. You can just replace the hash sign and you can just replace it with your link, right? And you can change the basic copyright text here. The footer text you can just change it and you can add your company name there. Okay guys, now just copy all the code and just paste it on the site footer section and click on save and update. Like this you can change the main blog section, like the rate card section. There you can change the airport codes here. As you are seeing an airport code, you can just replace it with the demo code and you can add your own all the cities you need to add. You can just add that IATA code of that particular airport there. That's all, so simple. If you don't know a code, you can search it on Google and you can add the IATA code or the capital letters as you are seeing in the video. Just copy it and paste it on the block on the main page section. Just paste it there. Click on save and update. Now go to the website and just refresh it. Now you can see the new airport section or the new location section has been came there. Okay, now the another section is you need to change the background image of that red card section. You can just change it here on the flight style.css, that page. You can just select it and you can just replace it, and you can just upload it on the style section, right? Okay guys, now go to the hotel section and click on content section, and you can choose the currency, and here you can select the hotels. Here click on the hotels, and you can disable the flights option from the hotels list, because we are giving separate subdomain for the hotel, so you don't need to give flights there also. So just flights option there, and you can add a pre-filled content, hotel or city you can add there, and click on save and update, and now just refresh it. Now you can see there is a only hotel window is available. Okay guys, now all other things you can do on the same like the flight section. So you can use the sections header and all these things, but we have a separate flight theme and hotel theme. So if you know HTML and if you are easy with that, you can buy one theme and you can customize it for both. And you can just click on the customize option to edit the main website. Here you can change the logo, select the logo here as you are seeing in the video, and you can upload a transparent logo. You can adjust the logo height. You can choose the menu here. You can change the options of buttons here. You can choose the buttons. Check now, and you can add your link there and click on publish. Like this, you can also edit your footer section. It's super easy. Just scroll down and you can see your footer section is available here. You can click on edit footer, and you can change the menu and all the basic setups you can see here. Just click on that particular section and you can edit it there. You can see here, if you want to edit, you can just click on there and you can just edit it on the left hand side as you are seeing in the video. Like this, you can change the copyright text. Just see the copyright text here. You can add your website name and all these things. Now, once you make any changes, make sure to click on publish, then only the changes will be take place. Now just close this and you can edit the front page. Click on the edit with Elementor option, and now to edit all these things, just click on that particular section if you want to edit, and you can see the left hand side all these things. So you can change the textures, links, and all these things you can edit very easily. Just click on that particular section and you can edit it. If you want to change it to your flight booking option, so just give a button name like this, book flight, and you can add your link to your website and click on update. Like this, you can change any edit any section or any part of your website with the Elementor. You can change the background image, and all these things are super easy. So for the SEO and for the app video, we will create app details. We will create another video for the coming days, so you can watch it on our channel. And another important section is menu section. Go to the appearance section and click on the main menu. You can see, you can select the menu here, and you can watch the all available menus here. If you want to create a new menu, click on the create new item, create new menu, and you can just add your menu, and you can add all the details here, and you can add some custom links to your website. All these things are super easy. You can choose the display locations. Okay guys, now our website is almost complete. If you have any doubt or any queries, you can ask on the comment box, or you can contact us on Facebook. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.